Click mo lang na isang beses. And ayan siya. And very similar ang settings nito doon kay X4. So pag daytime, make sure nasa video ka. Ayan. So maraming modes yan. Pero pinag-uusapan natin is vlogging. So dito tayo. And then, click mo yan. You should be at 4K 60 FPS. Okay? Stabilization ko is standard. Since hindi naman tayo nag-offroad, okay na yung standard. Active HDR is on. Ratio is 16:9. Damage duration infinity. Okay? Then, same thing. Swipe to the right. Naka-vivid ulit tayo. So, marami din siya. Flat. Leica. Ayan, iba-iba yung ano niya. Iba-iba yung style. Pero dito tayo sa vivid para pareho yung color dun sa X4. Eye lag is off. Ginamit ko na dati yan, tinry kong on, pero hindi ko siya nagustuhan and hindi siya nakakatulong. So off yun. Shutter speed is auto. ISO ulit is 400 max. Kamukha nung sa X4. EV is 0. White balance is auto. And of course, yung video sharpness is medium lang. Okay? Same thing lang yan.